Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the age of the internet, the opportunities to earn an income from the comfort of your home are more abundant than ever. Today we're going to explore some of these methods, breaking them down into easy-to-follow steps so you too can tap into the digital economy. First up, freelance work. This is a broad field that covers anything from writing and graphic design to coding and marketing. The first step is to identify your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you've got that figured out, the next step is to create a portfolio showcasing your work. This can be as simple as a personal website or a profile on a freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr. The final step is to start pitching your services to potential clients. Remember, don't get discouraged if you don't land the first few gigs you apply for. Persistence is key in the world of freelancing. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. To get started, choose a product you're passionate about and believe in. Then, sign up for an affiliate program, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Once you have your referral link, you can start promoting the product through your blog, social media, or email list. Our third method is selling products online. This could be physical goods like handmade crafts or digital goods like ebooks or online courses. To start, you'll need to create your product and set up an online shop. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify make this easy, even for beginners. Once your shop is up and running, the next step is to promote your products. This could be through social media, email marketing, or even paid advertising. Finally, we have online tutoring or coaching. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can monetize your knowledge by teaching others. This could be anything from language lessons to business coaching. Get started by identifying what you can teach, then set up a platform where you can deliver your lessons, like Skype or Zoom. The final step is to promote your services and start attracting students. To summarize, making money online is all about identifying your skills, setting up a platform to offer your services or products, and promoting them effectively. Whether it's through freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products, or online tutoring, there's a method out there that suits your skills and interests. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with persistence and a little bit of savvy, you too can start earning an income online, so why not start today?